Commando 14 firmware flashing. After powering on the transmitter, connect it to your computer using a Type-C data cable. When the screen prompts you, select USB storage, SD, mode, and press ENT to confirm. The computer will automatically recognize the transmitter as a USB device. Note that before flashing, prepare the corresponding firmware file. All firmware and resources used in this tutorial are packaged and can be downloaded at the end of the video. Place the firmware file you want to flash into the firmware folder on the connected USB device. The firmware must be in .uf2 format. Otherwise, the transmitter will not recognize it. After copying, disconnect the Type-C cable. Next, short press the sys button to enter tools. Scroll right to SD card, enter firmware. Select the firmware you saved and click Flash Bootloader. Wait for the progress bar to complete and the firmware upgrade will be finished. With the transmitter powered off, press the left stick trim button to the right and the right stick trim button to the left. Then short press and long press the power button to enter bootloader mode. Connect computer using a Type-C data cable. Once connected, the computer will recognize a drive named edgets_uf2. Copy the prepared firmware file into the edgets_uf2 folder. Wait for the progress bar to finish to complete the firmware update. Wi-Fi mode flashing. Short press the sys button to enter the system menu and select the ExpressLRS LUA script. In the LUA script, select Wi-Fi connectivity. Select Enable Wi-Fi. When the Wi-Fi running page appears, the internal RF module Wi-Fi is active. Next, enable Wi-Fi on your computer and connect to a hotspot named ExpressLRS TX using the default lowercase password ExpressLRS. Once connected, it will automatically open the ELRS setup page. If you have connected before, no password is needed. If the page does not open automatically, enter 10.0.0.1 in your browser to access the setup page. In the flashing interface, you can check the current firmware version. Find the update option and select the firmware version you want to flash. You can also load the firmware online. In this tutorial, we choose the locally saved firmware, then click Update to start flashing. Wait for the progress bar to complete. This indicates the flash was successful. If flashing fails, try reconnecting the USB cable or restarting the transmitter. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.